Hello SVI members, so in this video I'll walk through with you how to use the SVI bot. Okay, so if you haven't accessed the bot, you can actually find the bot using this Telegram link or search using the Telegram handle at SVI_alpha_bot. But the easiest way it is just use your mobile phone, okay, and scan the QR code here. Okay, of course you need first to have the Telegram app to use the bot. Okay, so the problem, okay, is that there are too many stocks out there and not enough clarity, maybe for some of you. So even though the SVI, data sheet provide many powerful seasonal trend data, but many traders are still asking, okay, so for example, which stocks should I focus on? So where do I even start? So I understand. So with many stocks, okay, to go through, it can be a little bit overwhelming. So for example, here, I'm using this data sheet as I'm doing this video. Right now, it is in August 2025. So even for the current 1 week of start of the seasonal window period, there are still quite a number of stocks out there. So you might be thinking, okay, which stocks should I focus on? Which stocks passes the entry trigger, etc. So the bot is to serve this purpose to provide you the solution. So like I mentioned, I provide the weekly video updates and the watch list idea. So I also do share trade ideas and the setup in the weekly video, but those are only based on the price action up to Friday itself. Okay, so the SVI Alpha Bot, it is actually a seasonal stock screener. So the main feature, it is a stock screener powered by my seasonal data, and it also enhanced by AI. So there are a few AI features inside the bot, okay, to provide additional info that could be very helpful to you. So this bot helps you to screen seasonal stocks, okay, help you to track your watch list and compare tickers with AI, and also to send you so-called automated screens every single day if you want to, okay, so that you don't have to screen manually. Okay, it will just push to your Telegram app over here. So these screening criteria, okay, depending on whether you are screening for the bullish or bearish setup, okay, the screening criteria, it is priced above 50-day MA. So this is to tell us that, the stock, okay, it is, or the ETF is generally in an uptrend. At least for the midterm, it is still in uptrend. Okay, there will be a wash and rinse trigger. Okay, and it is based on the start of the current week seasonal window. Okay, so in any case, you are still not that familiar yet, not that important. Okay, you can always ask me in the help or support group if you need to, but this is based on the screening criteria. Okay, and the benefit of this SVI bot is it is fast and simple screening. There's automated notification. Later I'll show through, I'll walk through with you, and it is also AI enhanced as well. Okay, so let me just go through the bot itself right now. So right now I am using the desktop, okay, to show you and walk through with you as an example. Okay, I think it's easier for me to use a desktop, but most likely you'll be using this on a mobile phone, but the feature, everything, it is exactly the same as you see here. Okay, so if you go to the SVI bot, okay, all right, it is this table over there. Okay, so if you head over to the menu, you start the bot and see the menu. Okay, it is over here. Okay, so the main thing of this SVI bot, it is the signal table or the screening. Okay, and you can actually do a automated so-called screening, and it will auto notify you based on the specific time you want. So these two are linked together. Okay, and also you can also have a watch list based on the tickers that you want to monitor, and it can also provide you the alert. So just remember, okay, this column, these two, okay, are linked together, and this watch list and alert are linked together. And also there's a stock info. Later I'll go through with you. So let's just go through the signal table first. So the very main feature of this SVI bot is to help you to screen, okay, for stocks for potential entry. Okay, so just click on the signal table, and you can see over there are quite a few options over there. So you want to search for bullish stocks above 8 EMA. 8 EMA, okay, stands for 8 exponential moving average. So in simple words, okay, it is just 8 days of moving average lah, okay. All right, so if for the bullish stocks, if price is above the 8 EMA, generally, okay, it has a higher momentum, okay. If it is below 8 EMA, lesser momentum, okay, lesser bullish momentum, but it is still bullish. So it is just to differentiate, okay, between a more bullish or a more momentum or lesser momentum, okay, in case there are too many so-called stocks out there for you to look at. Okay, so for the bearish, the reverse is true. For the bearish stocks, right, okay, if a stock is below the 8 EMA, it has more bearish momentum. And if a stock it is above the 8 EMA, it has less bearish momentum. So if you want to screen for everything, okay, bull above 8 and bull below 8, you can just search for this all bull signal. Okay, if you want to combine these two, okay, above or below 8 EMA for the bearish, you can just click on the all bear signal over here. So this OHPC bull signal, what does this stand for? Okay, basically the OHPC stands for 100% stocks. So every month, at the start of the month, I will send you a stock list that has 100% track record. Okay. All right. So every month, every start of the month, you see this 100% track record. So if any of the stocks fulfill this 100% track record, okay, it will also be listed here. So in any case, let's just go through this all bulls signal over there. So if you just click on the all bulls signal, it will fetch you the data, okay, based on yesterday. So you can see, okay, based on the yesterday, as I'm doing this, it is 5:30 p.m. So the market, it is not open yet. So it is based on yesterday, 4th of August, so-called screening. Okay, so they found 14 stocks out there. These are the ones that are above the 50-day MA, okay, that has a wash and rinse trigger and is within this week start of the seasonal window period. So for example, here at NVIDIA, Synopsys, Cadence, etc. And the stocks are actually, okay, listed and sorted according to their market cap. So the biggest stocks are first listed here. So NVIDIA, the biggest stocks, you can see over there, it is 4.9 trillion. So as you go down, it is smaller. So it is descending order over there. So this is based on the above 8 EMA, and then at the bottom, it is actually a bull below 8 EMA. Okay, you can actually go back to the signal menu. So if you want to find bearish stocks, okay, you can actually click on the all bears signal over here. All right. It will also screen for you automatically. Okay, so you can see that below 8 EM, above 8 EMA, there's no signal. For the bearish stocks below 8 EMA, there's only one. Okay, so these are the stocks. But all in all, this doesn't mean that you should enter every single one of them. So these are only screen. Okay, so you still need to go into the individual stocks and check out, okay, the stocks yourself. For example, NVIDIA, you can just click on it if you want to. All right, you open this in trading view. So of course, I am actually looking at this, okay, looking at this on the desktop chart. If you click on this on a mobile phone, it will bring you to the trading view app or the web. Okay, so you can take a look, see whether that you want to enter into these stocks or not. Okay, let me just do simple that. Yeah, you see, so you can close, okay, and then you head back to your board again. You check it out as MPS, open. You can see the look, see the chart, and you see whether you want to enter into this stock. So you still need to make the decision whether you want to enter the stock or not. It doesn't mean that every single stock that is listed here, it is a buy signal. No, okay, it just fulfills certain criteria. Like I mentioned just now, above the 50-day MA, there has a wash and rinse trigger, and it is within this week's start of the seasonal window period. Okay. So you can actually, after that, you can head back to the menu again, all right, and then the notification. So right now, I'm doing manually. I'm doing this screening manually. So what if you wanted this screen, okay, to be pushed to you automatically, and it will notify you at certain time, okay, you can actually click on this notification button over here, okay. You can on off the bull, on off the bear, okay, add notification time, list notification time, remove notification time. So in any case, you need to have some help, you don't know what to do with it, you can click on the notification help over here. So there's a list of commands and the explanation here, okay, to tell you what does it do for you. So you can head back to the notification menu. So typically for myself, okay, I actually set it at 10:30 p.m. Singapore time, because as of now the market opens at 9:30 p.m. So I just want to see after 1 hour what are the possible signal, okay, that's screened by the screener over there. So you can see over there listing the notification time. You can see that I have 10:30 p.m. and 11:15 p.m. over here. Okay, so these are the two. So if you wanted to add, okay, the timing, okay, you can just go to notification, okay, add notification time over there. So if you are actually using this on mobile, if you just press and hold it, okay, it will actually populate into your chat box over here. But of course, I'm using desktop, so I have to do this manually. So if you add in the command /add underscore notify underscore time. So you just add the timing that you want. So for example, you want to let the bot to notify you at 11:30 p.m. So 23:30. Okay, so just hit enter. You can see that, okay, added timing at 11:30 p.m. Okay, so you can use this to on off, okay, if you think that it is too noisy for you, doesn't want it to switch on for you, etc. Head back to the menu and just click the start. Okay, you can see that under the watch list, okay, there is the list notification time. Okay, the 11:30 p.m. it is there already. Okay, and you can also add certain stocks in your watch list. So I'll give you an example over there for this current week. So for example, maybe I'll just do it as an example. I'm randomly choosing some stocks over there. So for example, okay, you might be interested in, okay, maybe Carnival Corp. Okay, Carnival Corp, they are actually doing this leisure. It is actually doing the cruise. Okay, Carnival Corp, CCL. Just an example here. You can actually put it in your watch list over there. So you can view watch list, add your stock, remove stock, check signal, etc. You can see my view watch list. These are my prior stocks that is in my watch list. Okay, so you can head back to the watch list again. Okay, watch list, you can add stocks. So once again, there's an instruction on how to add the stocks into the watch list. Once again, if you're using on the mobile app, right, you can just press and hold, you auto populate onto the chat box. Okay, so in my case, I'm using desktop. So for example, I want to add CCL. Okay, so CCL has been added into your watch list. Okay, so you can check using the signal. Is there any signal, this today or not? Okay, your watch list matches this bull above 8 EMA. Okay, simply because if you actually, back to the menu watch list again. Okay, back to the menu. Okay, signal table. All right, all bull signal. You can see that actually CCL, it is actually inside. Okay, so the stock that you are watching, it has a trigger. Okay, it has a signal. So that is the reason why it is listed under the alert here. Okay, it is under the alert here. So in any case, if you want to automate this alert services, okay, you can actually, add the alert timing. So once again, you will see that add alert timing, the command, it is over here. Okay, just follow the command. Okay, you need to do it exactly as it is. So for example, add this, and you want to add the timing at, for example, 23:45. Okay, every day at 11:45 p.m. it will alert you if there is, okay, a trigger, okay, from your stocks watch list. And see that it has already been added already. So if you go back to the alert menu and see the list alert timing, it has been added at 11:45 p.m. over here. Okay, so these are the main feature of the bot over here. Okay, the screening and the watch list. So these two rows over here, it is together, and this watch list and alert, it is also together as well. So another cool feature of this bot is you can get certain stock info from either the stock itself or from ETF. So for example, okay, there are get stock info. So for example, you don't know what does CCL do. So you can actually click on get stock info. Okay, enter the command over there /info CCL. Okay, you can see the so Carnival, okay, the current price, the average volume, what is the market cap, the P ratio, what sector and what industry it is in. So there's a summary. Okay, you can see that Carnival Corp actually does leisure travel. So it is a cruise, it's a shipping cruise company. What does it do, etc. So you can actually view the chart on TradingView, and if you want more fundamental data, you can also view it on Yahoo Finance as well. Okay, so if you want more info, you can actually go back to the stock info. Like I mentioned, it is AI enhanced, so you can actually do comparison between the bullish stocks and also the bearish stocks. So we can do between 2 to 5 ticker symbol. The ticker symbol can be stocks or ETF as well. So I'll do as an example over here. So we do compare stocks between, for example, Nvidia and Microsoft. Okay, so maybe there are two stocks you are looking to enter. You want some feedback, okay, from AI. So you can just enter the ticker symbol Tesla, TSLA, and then Microsoft, MSFT. Okay, and then hit the enter button over there. So it will go to the AI server, okay, and then analyze the stocks for you, but it will take some time, okay, to do the job. Okay, you can see that it came out already. So, you'll do a comparison. You can do up to 5 symbols, but based on this example, analyze stocks, Tesla, what is the P ratio, earnings, EPS, etc. What's the recommended stock. But again, this is just for education purpose. It doesn't tell that you need to buy this. Okay, so please use it as just additional, okay, informational purpose and not financial advice. So you can see the detailed analysis, okay, whether technicals is it above the cloud, what is the fundamentals, what is the support area, okay, any new sentiments, what is the swing implication, okay, etc. So you can use it to find out additional information, which I find it is actually pretty useful. Okay, all right. So if you somehow you lost the group chat, okay, you can actually click on this group chat invite thing, okay, and then you can go back into the chat group again. All right, if you have any feedback for us, you can click on this feedback, okay. If you want to manage your subscription, okay, you can actually head over to this subscription button and manage your subscription. Okay, so any question, okay, you can also just ask in the SVI private support group as well. So with that, thanks for watching. Okay, I'll see you inside the group chat. Thank you.